off the track, and into retirement. You can now tour a place where Kentucky Thoroughbreds go when their horse racing careers come to an end. This month, retired racehorse nonprofit Second Stride is opening the gates to Chorleywood Farm in Prospect to give people a behind-the-scenes experience of Kentucky horse country. The farm off US 42 is a place for retired racehorses to rest and adjust to post-track life.
Now you don't just have to drive by. You can pull in the gate and come experience and meet these amazing animals.
When you come here, you get to meet these horses up close and learn about their history, like General A-Rod here, who raced in all 3 legs of the Triple Crown.
You get to meet some celebrity horses, as well as just see some of those that were too slow or never made it to the races. We have those too. So you'll get to learn a lot. It's pretty educational.
His is going to be limited to trails.
Second Stride's Kim Smith says the tour will teach you all about the retraining and rehoming process for the horses. You'll also get to see everything from feeding and grooming to a routine visit from equine veterinarians.
Oh, that's a good spot.
And Chorleywood Farm isn't the only place offering this uniquely Kentucky experience. Hallie Hardy says horse country tours are popping up across the state in hopes of someday becoming the equine industry's version of the Bourbon Trail. Tours at Second Stride run 6 days a week and cost $23 for adults. The money will help the nonprofit pay for everything these retired equine athletes need to transition to a comfortable life after racing.
To give back to the community and allow them to come and experience the green space even is part of the goal.
In Prospect, Madeline Carter, WLKY News.